Out of Ramona, sponsored by Todd Fassler, Precision Engines, and NOC Industries, it's the hot mess, Jessica Schaefer. And behind Jessica, the 55 out of Nuevo, sponsored by Burke's Appraisal and Border Steel, Mike Burks. Row number 3 on the inside, it's the number 82 car. That's Terry Adams out of Spring Valley, sponsored by AdFab Graphics and PRI Crane. And the last car in the field, the point leader out of El Cajon, the 00 of Todd Fassler. 6 laps. Lineup 4, heat race number 1 for the American Factory. They could have a slightly slower pace if they really tried hard. Here we go. Out of turn 4, green flag, 6 laps. This is the entry-level class here at Perris Auto Speedway. And the rookie Chris Dave leads in into turn number 1, but she gets up the inside of the racetrack. Hot mess tried to take that spot away, doesn't happen. Press coming off turn number 2. 82 car was running third, but the 00 Fassler around the outside goes from 4th to 2nd, trying to take the lead away. And he does. New leaders, Todd Fassler. Dave 2nd, 82 Terry Adams running in 3rd. Spot is David Hunt. On the wide side of the racetrack, Jessica Schaefer trying to take that 4th spot back. They have Mike Burks trapped right behind them. Two in the books, 4 to go. Once out front, Fassler pulling away. He'll be halfway this time by. Second, trying to hold off Adams in the number 82. And behind them, the battle for 4th, that's Hunt in the number 92 and the 55 of Burks. Starter Kevin Winters is going to throw the white flag the next time by. One to go for Todd Fassler. Checker is going to come down this time by Fassler's going to win it by nearly a full straightaway. Daves gets out of control off turn number 2. She saves it. Loses 2nd spot. Let's see if she can hold on to 3rd. The win goes to Fassler. 2nd spot will be Adams. 3rd spot does go to Chris Daves. 4th goes to Burks. 5th spot goes to David Hunt. 2:24.82 the time on that heat race.